Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Hi, I'm DOLLS.ILOVE. I'm a doll Instagram and doll YouTuber, and today you guys, I finally received the dishwasher that I won on Barbie's Awesome World giveaway, and the shipping took some time but I finally got it and I'm super happy. Okay, let's open this. I'm super duper excited. Let's go, let's open this. Okay, let's open this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she even wrote a cute note for me. That's so cute. Oh, okay, let's open the wrapper. Let me get some scissors. Okay. Now let's cut the wrapper. And if you're wondering about the Halloween decoration at the back, my brother made those Halloween decorations. And if you want to know how he made them, then please leave a comment below. I will be leaving Barbie's Awesome World's YouTube channel link in the description box so you guys can check her out and show her some love. Oh, is this note is so cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's stuck.
One eternity later.
Here we have the cute note and let's see what she wrote. Congratulations, thank you so much for supporting me on my social medias. Congratulations on winning. Thanks for entering. I hope you enjoy Barbie's Awesome World. Aww, and we have a cutesy bitsy picture. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you so much, Barbie's Awesome World. I love you so much. Now let's get back to cutting the wrapper. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is DOLLS.ILOVE and I am organizing a birthday party on October 28th for my birthday, and if you want to join then please check out my Instagram. I will be leaving my Instagram link in the description box below so you guys can check it out.
Six months later.
Finally I got it out of the wrapper and this is how the front looks like. It's so pretty and you can see some Barbie's picture in the front, and the box is really cute. And this is how the back looks like, and you can see some other playset pictures. Okay, now we have to cut the plastic wrapper. Okay, let's go. Okay, I finally got everything out of the box. It took forever, but this is the dishwasher and you can open it and you will have a place to put all the dishes. And over here on the top you have some place to put all the glass and other stuff. It comes with 4 purple plates. They're really adorable and cute. Four pink glasses, 1 hand soap and 1 dishwashing soap, one dish rag and one towel. And we have some fork, knives and spoons. This is how it will look like if you put everything inside the dishwasher. You can put everything outside like this on the top of the counter. And now you can see the height measurement of the dishwasher with the doll. Okay, let me just stand her up. Okay. See, it's perfect for Barbie. And there you have it.